We're live here, Skinny Joey's Cheesesteak, on the beautiful Sunday. The Philadelphia Eagles take on the Detroit Lions. Today's tailgate starts at 1 p.m. We're going to have a DJ. We're going to have a drummer. We're going to be selling beer. The beer garden opens today. Make sure you stop by Skinny Joey's Cheesesteak. Today we're going old school. I gotta have my cherry peppers mixed in. Come on, mix that right in. Let that all melt together. Today we're going double cheese, old school, cherry peppers mixed in. New Yorker American cheese, seeded Aversa roll, never onions. Sometimes you need the double cheese. You already are. Joey's Cheesesteak, 3020 South Broad Street,